Now, copy and moving text within your document is a skill that you need to learn. We've already learned how to select text. And to copy, I can select a piece of text. I can, from my Home tab, go to the copy. I can right-click on the highlighted text and go down to copy. Or I can use the shortcut, which is Control-C. Control-C, right-click, or from your Home tab, you can copy. And once you've copied that information, it actually is saved on the clipboard. And I can paste that information somewhere else by clicking and placing my insertion point somewhere else in the document and using the paste. Now, you'll notice there's a drop-down below paste that gives me various options to keep the source formatting, to merge formatting, to put it in as a picture, or to make it text only. Now, in this instance, most of these are going to be the same, and depending on what you're copying and what you're pasting, you'll have different paste options. Now, if I paste this in or used Control-V, it would use that first selection. And it would paste that information in. And one of the things that I want to point out is if you paste it in wrong, all the way over here on the right, you'll see this little Control drop-down. It'll actually give you the other options right here so that you can change the way you pasted it in without having to undo it and repaste again. Now, cutting works the same way. If I highlight specific text and use the cut, right-click and cut, or Control-X, I can cut this information and it'll be saved on the clipboard. And I'm going to pick a different paragraph this time so that you can see. It removes that information from my document. Now, if you have quite a few things you need to move around, you can cut or copy them. And although I don't have the ability to quickly paste them, except for the last one that I've just done, I can open up the clipboard and see items that haven't been pasted in yet. So here I have one. If I copied this first paragraph again, I now will have two. And from here I can decide where I want to paste it within my document. So this is how I can quickly and easily move items around. But there's one more way, and this is actually my favorite. By highlighting a word or a group of words and clicking and dragging it somewhere else, I can move this word to a different place within the document. If, instead of moving it, I wanted to create a copy of it, I could highlight the word and click, but this time I'm going to hold the Control key down on my keyboard. And when I do, instead of, you'll notice the mouse pointer changes to a file with a plus sign because now it's copying it. And when I release my mouse before my Control, both is here and it's still up here. So moving by using the copy and paste feature is a convenient way to reorganize your document.